Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but very nice movement today, or really the past couple of days. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was down there on Tuesday, now all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way up there. Sure, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it is right now, price has definitely made a good solid move. So that brings about the question, well, is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $1.56. Why is $1.56 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.56. If the price were to come down here to $1.56 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very, just a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price, like I said, quite literally right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows back here. Point being, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.56. What about levels of resistance? Well, as of right now, key level of resistance seems to be this trend line right there. So keep a close eye on that going forward. And if the price can get a break of that trend line, then at that point you could very well see it push up to $1.68 and above. However, one hurdle at a time. First got to get a good solid break of that trend line. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Now going forward, it's definitely just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.